You guys again, thank you for the consideration, and this recognition means a lot to us. So obviously, in the industry, everyone's seen these hard hats. We moved on to the cast hard hats a couple of years ago, and the main reason for that is slips, trips, and falls at the same level. We recognize that a lot of those injuries and head injuries were preventable if employees were wearing a chin strap. So we looked deeply into improving, finding a better hard hat that had an integrated chin strap, as well as these hard hats offer a side impact rating. Since we've implemented these, we've seen a significant reduction in traumatic head injuries, as well as other head injuries due to slips, trips, and falls at the same level. Also, moving on to the Safety Suite app, we've actually developed our own in-house app that we use for our safety observation reports. We call them SORs. This is something that all employees on Clark Jobs fill out. They need to find 10 observations a week. This is something we do to help get our field staff as well as our office staff out into the field, get a different set of eyes on the project. If there's any negative observations, it immediately notifies on-site safety as well as whatever involves subcontractor that something needs to be addressed. And then at the end of each day, they get email roundup of all of their positive observations. This is something we're doing to help get everyone involved in safety on the project, as well as this gives us good leading indicators to see where we may be lacking or where the next fault may occur. So this gives us a live look into all of our projects and gives us the availability to compare similar projects to see where they may be trending or where we have tracked in the past and where we can improve going on in the future. This also is a base platform, gives us some other availability to do our incident reports and track that data. But at the end of the day, it's just really helping bolster that on-site safety culture. And then the last thing we have is our safety rotations. This is something we do with our younger field team. We have field development group, where up and coming field staff do a in-depth training program. And the capstone for that is them doing a 6-month safety rotation. So this is all of our assistant superintendents, project engineers looking to take that field path. During this rotation, they actually shadow a safety professional on a project. And then going forward, they will actually run as a safety professional on a project for 6 months. And while they're doing this rotation, they take the time to get competent person training and fall protection, scaffolding, confined space, silica, excavation. They get their CHST and any other training that may be relevant to their project, and something we found really helps get involvement early in their career to make sure they have a strong foundation to build off of as they continue on their career. Again, thank you guys for this consideration. It means a lot to us.